15 minutes before a meeting with my manager, I caught it. ChatGPT had made an error in my budget numbers. One I almost missed. One that would have cost my company thousands. And that's when it hit me. I was treating ChatGPT like it was always right. What I should have been doing is treating it like a first draft that needs an editor. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn the AI into your own team of editors. 5 specialists that catch its mistakes before they cost you anything. It's a method called Clear, and I use it on every answer that actually matters. Let's get into it. Most people do one of 2 things when ChatGPT gives them an answer. They skim it, fix a sentence or 2, and move on. Or they reread every single line themselves, which defeats the entire point of using AI to save time. Neither one actually works, because the real fix isn't reviewing harder yourself. It's giving the job to the right editor first. Real editors don't read a manuscript once. They pass through it multiple times, and each pass, they're only looking for one thing. That's exactly what Clear does. It turns ChatGPT into 5 different editors, each with one job. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds like overkill, but when the stakes are high, you'll want a way to check ChatGPT before you trust it. Not after it costs you something, only takes a few minutes. And I promise you, it's worth every second. Let me ask ChatGPT a question and then apply Clear. I am adding a prompt asking ChatGPT to analyze if switching from a regular car to an electric car is financially worth it. Here, we have ChatGPT's answer. I am not even going to read it. I am running through the Clear method first, and I will show you what each editor finds along the way. Editor 1, Completeness. This is the editor who catches what was left out. After ChatGPT gives you an answer, you tell it, review your answer only for completeness. Did you answer every part of my question? Did you miss anything important? Then revise your response to fill in any gaps. That's the whole job. And it works, because when you ask it to check one specific thing, it actually finds the gaps, the parts of your question skipped the first time. So now, nothing is missing. But a complete answer can still be a wrong answer if the reasoning inside it falls apart. And that's a different editor's job entirely. Editor 2, Logic. This is the editor who finds the holes in the argument. You tell it, now review only the logic of your revised answer. Look for contradictions, weak reasoning, and missing steps. Then revise to fix anything that doesn't hold up. ChatGPT goes back through its own argument and finds the cracks, because it's looking for one thing now, not trying to judge the whole answer at once. So now the reasoning holds together, but solid reasoning built on made-up facts is still dangerous. And this next editor is the one that would have saved my career that day. Editor 3, Evidence, the fact checker. And this is the one that matters most. You tell it, now review only the evidence in your revised answer. Which claims need a source? Which numbers need to be verified? Which statements sound too confident without support? Then revise, either add sources, adjust the claim, or add a caveat where needed. So now the facts are checked, but even a true, well-reasoned answer can completely miss if it's written for the wrong person. Real quick, drop a comment and tell me if you ever caught a ChatGPT error. Editor 4, Audience. This is the editor who knows who's actually reading. You tell it, now review only the audience fit of your revised answer. Is this written for the right person with the right level of information and language? If not, rewrite it for the correct audience without changing the substance. This editor makes sure the answer fits the person on the other end. So now it's aimed at the right reader. But the right answer aimed at the right person can still be buried under stuff that doesn't need to be there. Editor 5, Relevance. This is the editor who cuts the fat. You tell it, now remove anything in your revised answer that doesn't directly help answer the original question. ChatGPT loves to pad answers with extra context. This editor strips it back down to only what you actually needed, so the final answer is tight, clear, and ready to use. That's the team. Completeness, logic, evidence, audience, relevance. Here's the part I never skip. I don't just copy the final answer and call it a day, especially if it's medical, legal, financial, or anything where being wrong actually costs me something. There's one more editor who should check the AI every time. Us humans, we do the final review. Using Clear, the final look is usually quick because the 5 editors already fixed the big stuff. I put all 5 editor prompts in the description so you can copy and paste them straight into your own work. Subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.